Okay, this is the North HVAC indoor air handler. Okay, and I can't get to it. I cannot get to the furnace. Alright, there's supposed to be an unobstructed 30-inch platform in front of it. We don't have that. Our gas piping is supposed to have a sediment trap going to the furnace. We don't have that either. Our flue pipe is properly supported, but I can see some daylight up there. If daylight can get through, water can get through. I don't see a care and use manual. The indoor air handler is improperly supported with perforated tape. It's supposed to be solid tape or some other means. The perforated tape is not approved. You want the sediment trap. Oh, this is where the air filter is? Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. Okay, this is our 10-year-old. This whole system looks like it's about 10. So we give it 14. Our safety pan is not large enough. Does not extend enough. Our primary evaporator coil drain pipe does not have a P-trap on it, and doesn't have a cap. Then venting. Okay, we got plenum leaks. Air's leaking there. Air's leaking here, boy, you can feel that. Leaking air, leaking air. Going along. Constricted. Sagging more than ½ an inch. Okay, moving on. This is our air filter. Like suitcase buckles. Oh, this is taped up. Must be downstairs. Okay. That's probably a good thing. Going along. I've been waiting for this. Hang on. Here we go. Sagging duct again, but if you look at the back of the attic, that old school gray air conditioning duct, manufactured by Coring in the 80s, discontinued in the 80s, recalled in the 80s, class action lawsuit in the 80s, class action lawsuit's been paid out in the 80s. No money's left. All the money was left in the 80s. But this duct was left here too. And you still got this. And that's all obsolete duct. You can tell by the way it's peeling away from the sheathing. This is why it was discontinued. This is why it was recalled. Why it was a class action lawsuit is because it does that right there.